In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Google Slides presentation to your computer. Whether you're looking to share your presentation in a different format or simply want to save a backup, this is a super handy skill to have. First, ensure that you have your presentation open in Google Slides. If it's not already up, take a moment to sign into your Google account if you haven't done so, and navigate to Google Slides. Once you've located and opened your specific presentation, we're ready to dive into the next steps. Now, in the top left corner of your Google Slides interface, you'll see a menu tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on that. This menu offers a variety of options you can use to manipulate your presentation, but for now, we're focused on downloading your slides. Once you've clicked on File, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Download. This is the gateway to transforming your presentation into various file formats suitable for different needs. Click on Download, and a submenu will pop up, displaying several format options. Here, you have a few choices. Let's talk about some of the most common ones you might consider. If you need your presentation in a program like Microsoft PowerPoint, you'll want to select the PTX option. This choice might be particularly useful if you are collaborating with colleagues or clients who primarily use Microsoft Office software. Alternatively, if your goal is to create a static document that is easy to share and maintain formatting across devices, selecting .pdf is a great way to go. Besides these, Google Slides also allows you to download your presentation in other formats, such as image files, among others, depending on your specific needs. For instance, downloading your slides as individual images might be useful if you want to embed them into other documents or websites. Once you've decided on a format, simply click on your preferred option. Your presentation will begin downloading automatically, and usually the file will find its home in your default Downloads folder on your computer. If you're unsure where your downloads normally go, you can check your browser settings to confirm or adjust this destination. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily download your Google Slides presentation in the format that best suits your requirements. Whether you need a PowerPoint file, a PDF document, or another format, the process is quick, easy, and versatile. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Google Slides presentations. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next video.